Hello, this week in Power Apps Africa Challenge. So, my name is Olana Waju Oyinbo, and I'm excited to be here. We're bringing you the recap of Power Apps Africa Challenge 2022 Week 1. So, let's get to break down and demystify what has happened in the course of the week. I'm sure you want to catch up with all those highlights. I'm not just here today, I also have here with me, I have Brittany Star, who is joining us live, and we'll be doing this together. Also, my co-host will soon join us, which is David Abu. Right now, a lot is happening around us that we want to bring your attention to. 7th of November, to 2nd of December. That is when the Power Apps Africa Challenge is running. I've never seen a learning challenge that is so rewarding like this. We've always been saying this. It's either you learn, win, or you win. So there's nothing like losing. Okay. So as we move through this and give you the breakdown of what has happened in the course of the week so that you get up to date and catch up with everything, be that you are in the game or you are in the community. So quickly, I'm going to share this and say a whole thank you to our partners. They're doing a lot to make sure that this is really a rewarding and engaging event for everyone participating on the continent of Africa. So we say thank you a lot to our partners and we'll move on from there. The first thing you should know is that the Power Apps Africa Challenge is awarding and rewarding Africa top app makers. You learn and master your skill. 2 weeks of daily mission. We've started this week. We're going to have another 1 week of finals, and 3 top app makers will be awarded in Africa. So excited to call on that. All right. So let's start with this. Let's stay informed. One of the 4 things that have happened this week is, number one, players have been finalized. So the group of players now are finalized, and we have 31 African countries represented. So you have to do your part and help your community to perform so well. Also, 38 coaches that are there, waiting for you to cheer you on and also assist you at each and every step on the platform. We also have community winners, 3 community challenges this week, and 4 prize winners already selected. You want to know more about this? Definitely, that is why we're having this show together, because we will be bringing you, we'll be bringing all the updates you need to know right here. So I also have David Abu, who is right in the studio and is joining us at the moment. Hello, David. How are you doing today? Hello, David. Are you there? Okay, not so sure of the technical challenges it's having, but let's continue to give the highlights and the breakdown of what has happened in the course of the week. Don't forget to ask your question for clarification in the comment section. Engage, like this video, interact with it so that other people can get to see it and get acquainted with everything that is happening in the Power Apps Africa Challenge. Let's move on to the next step, and I can't wait to get you updated. So, 3 live events as aired this week. Just to bring more information around you. We did the kickoff session on Monday. Stories, with Alessio Shandiwana is also a Power Apps Africa Challenge game coach. We explored the world of automation, Power Automate, with Musin Ahmed, who is a partner from Dibran Consulting, where he shared how to build a login and clock in and clock out application using Power Automate. That's magical for me, and it is auto magic. And you can view all the past event recordings in the event tab of the user group. So just go to the user group, which I'm going to share the link as well, aka.ms/Power Apps Africa. It takes you to the user group. Everything you needed, the support, the information, they are right there. I'm going to ask, Brittany to, maybe share one or two things about how the week has been for her in the game. Being a partner as well. Brittany, how has been the week for you? The excitement, the experience,
Yeah.
what do you say to that?
Thanks, Ola. It's been awesome, you guys. We're having so much fun getting everybody into the game. People already started getting in and doing their pre-game work. So their orientation, they started it on Friday and through the weekend. And then on Monday, we had our first mission that dropped with building skills. It was so cool to see people from that very first moment. They were writing on the user group and sharing experiences and talking with each other, answering each other's questions. It's just been a really, really cool week, watching this community grow and add more people as the week has gone on. And I love the energy. It's really awesome to see. And I know it's just going to get better. So I can't wait.
Amazing. Same here. On Monday, when we were kicking off this session and we did a live demo of how the Centrica platform looks like, I was shocked to see that a lot of people have already started completing their missions, and the leaderboard is already getting filled. I was like, wow, so much energy, so much enthusiasm to learn. And we don't expect anything less than great solution and people coming out of the program. Right. So let's provide some update around registration. As of today, registration is now closed. Yes, it is closed. If you go to the site, there's no way to register again. But if you miss registration, that doesn't mean you can participate. This is why we have created a user group. Participate in the user group for learning challenges and also win prizes. For example, this week, 4 winners has been selected. You can be the next person, and I see you being the next winner. But if you're already in the game, don't worry. Continue to focus on your daily mission. So everyone has been approved and already given their login details to the platform, which is Centrica. If you miss your login details, you can do 2 things. Check your spam folder. Make sure you check your, if it's Gmail, you have several, segments of email. You check those labels and check your spam folder in case it's not there. But if it is not there and you are still missing your login details, please send a private message in the user group. That's aka.ms/PowerAppsAfrica. That is what the user group is there for, to make sure all your issues have been addressed, all your questions have been addressed, and keep you engaged and, going through the program. Please, when you are sending that private message, include your full name so as to troubleshoot. Okay, what's next? Very, very important. This is what is next, and it is very, very important. If anyone has not logged in and started their missions yet, the cutoff to begin the challenge is tonight. You need to log in and start your challenge tonight. It's very important. So if you do not log in and started, what that means is by tomorrow you might become inactive. And if you are inactive, you can't win those prizes. You can't get those swags, the goodies, the mentorship session, the certification vouchers. There's so much that is tied to this. Please, I don't want you to miss this. This is why it's important that you should not just like this video, but share with everyone that you know that they're participating, or just share, repost. The more you do that, you can reach wider audience and they will not miss out. They'll be happy that you do, because those rewards are too good to be missed. So, all right, hurry up and get started. The first few sessions are easy and quick to complete. It's to help you get on board. Nothing stressing, but they're actually enlightening and fun to engage with. People are already ending point. Like I said, right now, I'm not even sure if I participate. I'm not even so. You will be so encouraged to see the kind of points and coins people have accrued on the platform. And when you get there, you feel the energy, you see the enthusiasm, in the heart and minds of everyone learning through the games and the activity they're participating in. So go ahead, as you're winning, go spot in the store those things you want to buy, spot those tickets, and go there with your coins, win them, and secure a spot for yourself. Brittany, do you want to say anything around troubleshooting? Because some people really send messages, try to say, oh, I can't get the login details. I'm having challenge logging in. Could it be sometimes that they're not using the right login details, or they are not even, checking out those email, or using the wrong URL? I know that your team is doing all they can to resolve every issue as soon as it is raised. So how important is it to raise those issues in the user group?
Super important. Thanks, Ola. Yeah, it's where we will see all of your messages right in one place. So thank you for those of you who have already written to us in the user group. We appreciate seeing your questions and issues about logins, points, missions, everything. Just put it right there, and we will address everything as soon as we can in a timely fashion to keep you moving on through the game.
So a quick test of our understanding here. Can you type in the comment section the link, the URL of I mean, not Brittany now, I'm speaking to everyone watching this video right now, participating in the
Okay.
program, to type in the URL of the user group, because you should know, it should just be like your digit. You should know it, when you're sleeping on your mobile or your desktop, type it in there. I'm going to give you the link, and I want you to also type it. I'm going to call it very fast. aka.ms// Power Apps Africa. Very easy, very short, but type it just like I know that you really, you know this. And anytime you need them, you know where to go to. ak.ms/Power Apps Africa. That is where to go to for troubleshooting and support. Okay. Speaking to games activities, there are a few more updates we want to provide there. Games activities is also one of them. So what do we expect in games activities? Let me also double check availability of David. Hello, David.
Can you hear me?
I
Yeah.
can hear you finally. I can hear you right
Oh,
now.
don't worry, it's MTN. MTN. Just
Ah,
just trying
everywhere
to
you
work
go,
with.
the network is everywhere you go.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Brittany.
Hey,
Nice to meet you,
David. Good to
Ola.
have you. Yeah.
So I was just trying to
Thank
be,
you.
double check your that you don't have technical challenge again, and I'm happy that we could even hear your voice on this show today, David. So we're just discussing the game activities, and right here we see a lot of things are live. But would you like to just talk us through some of the things you've seen as activity on the Centrica platform? We also have them highlighted here. Some of the things you've seen. Oh. Hello, David.
Okay. Oh, can you hear me? I hope you can hear me.
Okay,
Can you hear
very
me?
obvious that your network challenge is still persist. Um, we understand the challenge. We are so sorry for that. Okay, so I'm going to take this as long as I can confirm that your network is stable. Then we have you, drop your thoughts on this topic as well. Game activities have started. About 9 missions are live. Oh my God. When I see missions, I see points, I see coins, So, when you see 9 missions, wow, just jump on them, go ahead, take these missions. Those are coins and reward that, you accrue, and go back to the store and utilize them. We have 4 orientation missions from the pre-game phase, and we have 5 missions from this week. So pre-game is to onboard you, is to orientate you about the platform, about the game itself, and you still get some coins or points, completing them. For this week, we have 5 missions already. So this week's mission focus on building your skills in designing and creating solutions. How important that is. We are actually using a very good pedagogy in this program, and a methodological way that help you to build from, known to unknown, from what you're familiar with to what you should know. And this is how you build Power App solution. You shouldn't just start by building the app. You start by thinking, the skill you need to design and create a solution, architecting the solution, understanding use cases, by exploring templates and learning about Canvas apps. This is fundamental. And I'm so happy because we are not asking you to demonstrate skill. We actually first want to help you to build the skill and later showcase the skill through the solutions you are building. So everyone has their own reasons for joining the challenge. So we wanted to hear from you. If you've not completed your mission, please go ahead and complete them. This week's mission are still open, and you have until next week's Thursday to complete your mission. So it's not open forever. So you need to complete latest next week Thursday this week's mission so that you can have them count for you in the leaderboard competition. Stay on track and complete your missions in order and progress steadily each day. On Monday, when we started this, this program, we actually shared some tips that can help you to stay on your A game, and make sure you get a point and participate actively in the game. Okay.
And
Community
remember,
chat.
guys, more missions is more points. So get your missions done.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Whenever I see missions, I see points.
Uh-huh.
When I was participating in this game last year, I literally would be waiting and refreshed. Let the mission be released, waiting eagerly for the missions to be released. I can take them and earn my points. So
I
I
love
want you also to take it as a mantra, more missions, more points, more coins, more chances to win amazing stuffs, in the course of the challenge. Now let's talk about community challenges. Remember, it is either you win or you win. So in case registration has closed now and you couldn't enter into the game, this is something you must pay attention to. Very important. Community challenges. So first, before you can participate, you must have registered and visit aka, should I even say it again? Yes, I'm gonna say it. I know you know it, but let me say it again. aka.ms/Power Apps Africa. Okay. In the user group we started this week, it is open to anyone in Africa. You just have to be a member of the user group by visiting that link and registering. It is free, both to join and to participate. Everything is free. So Tuesday was the Jumpstart Challenge. Brittany, we already
Yeah.
have winner for that challenge, right?
I do. Yes. So they won
Amazing.
I'm just now right when we finish this call, I'm gonna contact them. So guys, if you
Amazing.
completed the challenge, check your email. It's coming through. Or sorry,
Drum
check your
rolls, drum
check your
rolls. I'm
messages. Yeah,
happy.
yeah. So check those messages in the user group. That's where we'll be contacting you if you won. So this week we had a winner of branded laptop bag from Computer
Wow.
Revolution Uganda. So you guys are able to keep looking smart while you're keeping all your devices safe. So really super cool. That was from the Jumpstart Challenge, which was a cloud skills challenge. So a really, really good way to start the week, start the challenge on a high note. It was fun.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really amazing. I mean, laptop bag by participating in the Classic Challenge
Yeah.
just on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we have the Rev Up Challenge, right?
Yep.
A video challenge with a quiz. We have
Yes.
a winner already, right?
We have 3, actually. Even better.
Oh my God. Wow. 3 winners. The more you participate, the more chances. You shouldn't. I mean, can I participate?
I mean, you're
I
a
wish.
host,
I wish.
so
I'm doing it, but I'm not winning.
I
I just wish I can go there and participate. I'm participating, but I can't win. So that's the
I
challenge. But please, it's because I'm host here, so it's not possible for me to win what you should win. So more chances for you to win. Please go in there and participate. We've had 3 people also that won. Travel mug. Oh, amazing, from our partner, Computer Revolution Africa as well.
yeah.
Today, there's also a challenge called Sprint Challenge. Will you tell us more about that, Brittany?
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's a fun challenge. It's just, 3 quick bursts to get you, from your Friday morning all the way to your Friday evening and to sprint into your weekend. So what it is, all you have to do, it's on the user group, the link to take the quiz. All you have to do, it's super easy. You watch 3 really short videos. They're like 1 to 6 minutes each, so really quick. Complete 3 short quiz questions, so it's 1 question per video. Boom, 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 and you are done. That's your entry right there.
Wow. And you could stand a chance to win a wireless mouse from Reliance Info System.
Yep, exactly. Yeah.
Woo! I'm happy. I'm excited, for this amazing prizes, and once again, thanks to our partners, for supporting this, for making this possible. And right now, before we call it a day, let's talk about what next, looking ahead. You know, and when it comes to this, I would like to share some tips ahead. Number one, teams. You may see some slight changes in your teams over the weekend. We're actually working at everyone's progress so far and moving you to the teams where you can compete the best and get the best benefit. So you see, it is something that is tuned to favor you. We are working towards your benefit, what will help you to get the best from this program. You may you also have missions that you need to complete, so during the weekend, so go ahead and enjoy them. Like I said, more missions, more points, more coins. We have special awards for dedicated players during the weekend. Wow. Brittany, do you have anything to say to that?
Oh yeah, sure. So yeah, as Ola said, we are watching what you guys are doing. We're watching you complete your missions, and really happy with what we're seeing so far. We're excited for everybody who still has to start. We're excited for you to get going with your missions, and we are going to be taking a look throughout the day today, during tomorrow, during the weekend, and you should keep an eye out on Sunday. There is something really special that's coming for our dedicated players. So when you're completing your missions, we want to recognize you. And so keep an eye out. There will be a special mission about this, and it is there on Sunday. So keep an eye out. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's a surprise, but be sure that you are in the game, doing your missions, and you will get the special prize.
Okay.
Yeah.
More community challenges next week as well. So do share the links with your friends and colleagues. So more things to win, more opportunities. We're going to be having 3 more live events next week. 2 career stories with Wairimu and Olajumoke Toriola. And we're also going to have 2 weekly recap. One on Monday, looking into the week for perhaps Africa Challenge, and the weekly recap just like this on Friday. Don't mix them because they just give you the hint of what is happening. We're bringing, to you the most updated information in the community. Also, leaderboard competition next week to earn coins for top scorers. We will send info definitely via email and through the user group. Get completely up to date with your missions at least by Thursday. So, once again, as we wrap this up, I would like to say final thank you to our partners. They are doing amazing work, supporting us, making sure this is going smoothly, and putting all they could, in place so that we have an engaging and interesting and rewarding, learning experience. Dear champions, I would like to call you that because you're a champion. I look forward to the winners, of Power Apps Africa Challenge, the top 3 apps, an app maker. It could be you, and all it takes is your dedication. Keep accruing the point, keep participating, keep getting, keep doing the daily missions and practicing where it's required. Don't forget, there are problems around you can solve. Start thinking about them and start applying the knowledge you're gaining and the skill you're gaining from this challenge to solve those problems. All right, so Brittany, any final word before we call it a day?
I don't think I could say it any better than what you just did, Ola. So thank you everyone so much for being part of this, and have a fun weekend. Have fun with your challenges, and we'll check back with you next week.
Yes, we're going to check back next week. But before then, it is game on. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.